This high-tech setup can even be scaled for home-based poultry businesses. Within just 17 days, healthy quail chicks emerge. Compact cage systems maximize space efficiency. Self-cleaning waste systems maintain spotless hygiene. For meat production, strict hygiene standards are followed. Temperature-controlled storage extends shelf life. Smart inventory tracking minimizes losses. Lighting cycles stimulate optimal egg production. Routine sanitation prevents disease. This is the future of modern poultry farming.
Quail products are prized in global cuisine.
Professional branding builds trust.
Low investment, fast returns, scalable profits.
Low investment, fast returns, scalable profits. Advanced automated feeders ensure every bird receives balanced nutrition with zero waste. It all begins with carefully controlled incubation systems. Professional handling ensures safety and strong early growth. Custom feed blends are prepared with scientific precision.
Healthy birds are the foundation of profitable farming.
Waste is transformed into valuable organic fertilizer. Quality checks ensure premium-grade products. Efficient logistics connect farms directly to markets. Even small spaces can generate steady income. Each bird can produce up to 300 eggs per year.
Regular health checks maintain high survival rates.
Nutritious, protein-rich quail eggs meet growing demand. High demand means strong business potential. Proper management guarantees consistent output. Precision and care define modern farming. This is how you raise quail for eggs and meat, the smart, modern, profitable way. Smart climate control systems maintain ideal temperature and airflow around the clock. Each egg is scanned, weighed, and graded using precision laser technology for maximum efficiency. From collection to packaging, automation guarantees hygiene and consistency. Automated egg turners ensure proper embryo development. Filtered water systems keep hydration pure and contamination-free. Automation reduces labor while increasing productivity. Motion sensors detect unusual behavior instantly. Quail begin laying eggs at just 6 weeks of age. Vacuum packaging preserves freshness and flavor. Data-driven insights boost profitability. Renewable energy reduces operating costs. Bulk feed storage ensures uninterrupted supply. Full farm control right from your phone. Day or night, the system never stops. From hatch to harvest, every step is optimized. Inside this ultra-modern quail farming system, thousands of fresh eggs move seamlessly through a fully automated collection line.